Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC on Windows 11. So if you want other devices or PC to discover your PC using Bluetooth, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and click on the start button, locate and click on settings. Now once you clicked on settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Under Bluetooth and devices, just go ahead and click on view more devices. And then you want to hang on. Now scroll down until you get to more Bluetooth settings and click on it. Once you selected more Bluetooth settings, you should see this mini pop. On the pop, come to options and then under discovery, check allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC and click on apply. Now go ahead and click on OK and then you are good. Now your PC will be made available for other Bluetooth devices to connect to it, and then you'll be able to receive files from other devices using Bluetooth, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to make your Bluetooth available or discoverable on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.